Welcome to Best Productly. Top 5 Best Angle Grinder. We are going to check out top 5 best angle grinder in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this angle grinder, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5
BLACK+DECKER Angle Grinder Tool, 4-1/2 inch, 6.5 amp. Metal gear case for durability and longer life. 3-position side handle provides added comfort and control. Spindle lock for easy accessory changes. Included components: 4-1/2 small angle grinder, metal grinding wheel, spanner wrench, wheel guard.
Top 4
Porter Cable PC60TAG 6.0 amp 4-1/2 inch angle grinder. Imported. 11,000 RPMs for high-speed material removal. Durable 6A motor powers through job site tasks with ease. Cast metal gear case increases job site durability and tool longevity.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3
Dual DWE 4024-1/2 inch 11 amp paddle switch angle grinder. Plastic/metal. Imported. 11 amp AC/DC 11,000 RPMs motor which provides the best power to weight size ratio available. Spindle size 5/8-11 in. 1400 W, corded power tool. Tool length 12 inches, wheel diameter 4-1/2 inch. Includes 1 touch guard, 2-position side handle, wrench. Dust ejection system provides durability by ejecting damaging dust and debris. 11 amp AC/DC 11,000 RPMs motor which provides the best power to weight size ratio available. Dust ejection system provides durability by ejecting damaging dust and debris. 1 touch guard allows for 360-degree rotation of the guard with a single action. Quick change wheel release allows tool-free wheel removal.
Top 2
Makita 9557 PBX 14-1/2 paddle switch cutoff angle grinder. Powerful 7.5 amp motor for high output power in a more compact tool, only 4.5 pounds. Small diameter barrel grip, only 2-1/2 for added comfort. Labyrinth construction seals and protects the motor and bearings from dust and debris for longer tool life. Lock-on-off feature for continuous operation. AC/DC switch for use with alternative power source. Protective zig-zag varnish seals the armature from dust and debris for longer tool life. Extra large paddle switch for comfortable operation. Thicker coil wires are wound more closely to reduce heat and energy loss. All ball bearing design and metal gear housing for durability.
Top 1
Dual angle grinder tool, 4-1/2 inch, 11 amp. 11 amp AC/DC 11,000 RPMs motor that is designed for faster material removal. Dust ejection system keeps out damaging dust and debris particles. low-profile gear case which allows access into tight spaces. One touch guard that offers 360-degree rotation of the guard. A paddle switch with safety lock-off prevents accidental startup.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.